Hey YouTube, JT here. Just going to show you the multi-tools that I have available in my toolbox. This top row from the mid 80s to late 90s. This bottom row I just obtained this year. So first off, we have a micro technician. It unravels like this. So you got the pliers, wire cutters, Phillips and standard edge screwdrivers, and it's got some weight to it, so this is a pretty good tool. This is a SOG Paratool. Opens up this way. All the usual knives, saws, screwdrivers and whatnot all in the center. Pliers, wire cutters. It's a SOG Crosscut. It's like a small version. Got some screwdriver stuff in there. Cutters. It's a Gerber. I don't know what model this is. Slides up. It's a pretty good tool. My favorite so far, the Leatherman Juice S2. I mean, it's all the gear you need in a small, compact package. And this is a good acquisition. Rescue tool. There's like glass breakage thing here. You got the knives. You got saws in there. This thing has all sorts of good stuff. The liner lock is different. Pushed in that way. And this is a unique multi-tool. A T.A.D gear. Skeleton titanium key. T.A.D stands for Triple Alt Design. This is made from a billet of solid titanium. In the same factory that they made F-22 parts. I don't know, somebody's making money on the side. So you got a pry bar, bottle cap lifter, screwdriver. You got a spanner wrench. So those of you who have Strider knives, you can adjust the tension of the pivot pin. And I got this last week. I first saw this when Dwayne Myers did a review on it on his old channel. Leatherman P4 Squirt. This is cool stuff. So just a brief look at the multi-tools I have. And like I said guys, I like to have options. Alright, watch your six. JT out.